Everyone, welcome to Adam's Apple Tech Guide YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here's how to stop your iPhone, iPad and iPhone screen from rotating round. Are you fed up of your Apple device's screens always turning around? Well, here's how to stop it. First, choose what way around you want your device to be, either portrait or landscape. Secondly, you need to access the control center by swiping down from the top right corner if you have an iPad or iPhone with all-screen display. If not, swipe up from the bottom if you have an iPod or iPhone with the home button. Then tap the white unlocked padlock. Then if you want to turn it off, go back into the control center and tap the red locked padlock. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.